how to use the Zonda style inhalers, such as Gregal. This one basically, again, needs to use a little capsule that comes in this little box. And then you open this up and you will have capsules inside. You will take one out. It will look like this, a small little capsule. And this one will have to go inside here. So the way to do that is basically to open up the cap, then pull this open as well. And then inside you will have a little hole where the capsule will go in. And I'll just place it in there, in that little hole, this little hole right here. In, you close this mouthpiece, and then you will have to just perforate the capsule so it will release its powder. So you press on this button on the side, and that will actually allow you to inhale. So then you breathe out, and you'll have to breathe in forcefully through this mouthpiece. So you breathe out first, and then take a deep breath in. It looks like this. And slowly release. And once you are done, you'll just have to open this up again, take the capsule out, which is now empty, and throw it away. And then everything can be closed back again.